Admonition 15. Whoever does no good in the time of ability will see distress in the time of inability. It's like, if you can stand for the prayer, stand for the prayer. If you can kneel or prostrate, kneel and prostrate. If you can fold your arms right, fold your arms right. If you can put your hands on your knees right, you put your hands on your knees right. If you can raise them, you can raise them right. And if you can do these and other things, one should, do these in service of God. If you have the ability for other things, again, you do the good you can with what you have. And then when you don't have enough of physical ability or wealth or whatever to do these things, then it's going to be even more distressful that you're in lack. And people often end up turning completely against religion because it's like, well, I don't have the wealth and all this other stuff that I want. The church isn't giving me money to do these extra things that I used to do that I can't afford to do anymore. But no one is more unlucky than an oppressor of men, because in the day of calamity, no one is his friend. Now remember the gender neutral aspect of what's going on here. We're talking about all humans, unless we're talking something very specifically male. And trying to take it from the universal, from the particular to the universal.